Welcome back, and even as we are celebrating Sachin and my Sachin, there's somebody from our team who's keeping close tabs on what the little master's up to on the eve of his 200th test. Harini Rana, our chief cricket correspondent, joins us live at this point. Harini, what is Sachin doing? What did he do at the nets today?
He's pretty much aware of the special occasion that he is coming out to bat. It is going to be his farewell inning, so he keeping all the distractions away. He pretty much focused business as usual for Sachin at the nets, but he did have some special guests visiting him. Some of the senior BCCI officials, including the BCCI president, did meet up Sachin, and Sachin spent some time, apart from of course practicing and getting the usual drills in. He spent a lot of time with the Mumbai Wankhede groundsmen. In fact, who presented him with a special memento, and he did click pictures with them. So he is pretty much aware of the enormity of this occasion when there are emotions flying high at this point of time, but he is keeping himself away from all the distractions, trying to put up his best practice, and of course trying to get in the best possible way that he is ready for this farewell test.
Now, Harini, we saw such a huge deal made by Kolkata. How is the Mumbai Cricket Association planning to go one up on that?
Well, what we do know is that there are a lot of memorabilia and of course special mementos that are going to be on sale for a lot of fans. There will be Sachin Tendulkar mask which will be presented to each and every fan who will enter the ground with the ticket shown, and a special book that will be published on Sachin Tendulkar that will also be given to fans who have tickets on them when they enter the stadium. In fact, the whole of Wankhede Stadium, the top of the rim of the stadium, is going to be covered by pictures of Sachin Tendulkar's test century, along with huge cutouts of Sachin being present around the vicinity of Wankhede Stadium, and a huge bat is going to be placed just right outside the two dressing rooms where fans can write in their messages and of course pay their tribute to the little master. So there are a lot of festivities that have been lined up by the Mumbai Cricket Association, but of course everything will happen before toss as well, where BCCI will present the little master with a memento. Kapil Sibal will be present with the envelope that is going to be launched, and MCA will be inaugurating or launching that gold coin with which the toss is going to take place.
Harini, one more question. Has the team planned a surprise ahead of the game, or are they all saving it for once the test gets over?
Well, what we do know is that team is looking to present Sachin Tendulkar with any surprise which will only be after the test match. They are aware that this is the final test, but they want to ensure that Sachin enjoys this final 5 days of international cricket that they are going to spend with him, and all of the festivities or all the plans the team is of course speaking about amongst themselves, but all of that will only happen once the test match does conclude. But we do expect the Indian team to have a special farewell for Sachin Tendulkar. It could be a dinner, and it could also be a gift that they are planning to give, but everything will be only known after the test match ends.
All right, Harini, we'll look forward to chatting with you tomorrow morning at the Wankhede as well, just as we count down to the beginning of the 200th test match. Now, we've been talking to all the fans out there, all our viewers, to talk to us about their Sachin moment. We're also going to go across to Bhopal now, where our friends from Radio Mirchi are standing by. Over to you.
भाई रेडियो मिर्ची 98.3 एफएम के भोपाल स्टेशन में इस वक्त आप लोग हैं, और क्या लपक के गर्मा गर्म एनर्जी हो रखी है बॉस।
आज भोपाल की ये जबरदस्त टीम, छोटे असलम साबरी जी और साथ में उनका साबरी ग्रुप भी।
नाम सचिन तेंदुलकर जिनका है भारत की शान, गावस्कर और कपिल देव धोनी की है जान, तो तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई, सचिन तेंदुलकर तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई, सचिन तेंदुलकर तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। शान भारत की बढ़ाई तूने, शान भारत की बढ़ाई नाम के है चर्चे, तेरा नाम हर जगह है। तेरे नाम के है चर्चे, तेरा नाम हर जगह है। अभी तुझसे मिलता जुलता कोई दूसरा नहीं है। सचिन तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा वाह जैसा कोई नहीं। सचिन तेंदुलकर, सचिन
ऑसम ऑसम, इसे कहते हैं एकदम भोपाली अंदाज में हम झमाझम परफॉर्मेंस।
एब्सोल्युटली, ये इसे हम भोपाली अंदाज में सुभान अल्लाह भी कहते हैं। और सचिन, ये पूरे के पूरे भोपाल, कोलार, जहांगीराबाद, रोशनपुरा, बैरागढ़ की तरफ से हम सब सचिन को कहना चाहते हैं कि
हम आपसे बहुत मोहब्बत करते हैंगे। थैंक यू टीना, बाय बाय।
It was a moment to cherish and a gift to remember. As Sachin Tendulkar received a Ferrari from Formula One great Michael Schumacher. Once the Masters prized possession, now in the hands of Jayesh Desai, a businessman from Surat in Gujarat, as Sachin sold his Ferrari to Desai.
जो दूसरी कार चलाने में और ये कार चलाने में एक अलग फीलिंग्स होते हैं। और ये सूरत के रोड पे जो कार निकलती है तो सब अलग नज़रिए से देखते हैं। और कार जो खड़ी रहती है तो लोग देखने के लिए जो उमड़ पड़ते हैं।
Racing down the streets of Surat, making heads turn and grabbing the eyeballs. Jayesh surely had his moment with the Master Blaster and a moment to revere upon.
Let's now go across to Harbhajan Singh and Zahir Khan, two people who even Ravi Shastri said know Sachin Tendulkar better than he does. So Harbhajan, any other instances along with video car racing, what else off the field? Was Sachin also a prankster like you are?
Yes, of course. He's also a human being and and quite a prankster. When it comes to his own friends, where he's comfortable, he's a prankster.
24 long years, you know what it takes. What does it take really to not just be at world-class top level, but to do that for almost a quarter of a century?
I think how he's separated himself from the field is important, and that hunger to stay at the top. It's something that's, it's easy to get to the top. It's harder to stay up there, and he dedicated a lot of his time, a lot of his energy in being the best player in the world for 2 decades.
Yes.
And that is an amazing achievement. I mean, I can't even relate to it. I mean, I had a short period. I mean, we're talking about this guy was playing cricket at the age of 16.
Yeah.
I was just fighting up to get into Trinidad and Tobago under 19 team at 16. He was already stacking up his test career. But at 18 years old, I made 40 runs against Ambrose, and the whole crowd clapped me. He has already gone 2 years of international cricket.
Right.
That is amazing, and to do that for 24 years.
So it's that hunger and also that work ethic, which has lasted him that long. Do you think, Zach, he's going to apply that same sort of hunger and work ethic into the roles he's now going to play post-retirement? First and foremost, he's a parliamentarian now. What do you think?
Well, he's a perfectionist. So whatever he does, he's gonna do it perfectly. Otherwise, he won't do it. I mean, that's the way he goes about it. Like if he's into something, he'll make sure that he does it thorough. So that's the way he's approached everything in life, and especially with cricket. We all know that talent is something which can take you a distance, but to go really far, you need discipline, and that's what he had. Like I cannot recall a single incident when the bus is waiting for him to come. He's always been there for practices, for matches. He's always been there on time. And the way he approached his game, cricket has always been priority, and everything came secondary to him. So
what I'm curious is about the inside information. Let's ask Harbhajan and Zahir that. Harbhajan, what is Sachin going to do next? Can you tell our viewers? Can you tell us, please? What has he told? Has he shared his plans?
No, to be honest, last 10 to 15 days I have not spoken to him, because I want him to be in that zone where he's playing his last 2 games, and just want him to, be very, very focused, because I know a lot of things are happening around him and with his 200 test matches. But honestly, as Zach said, whatever he'll do after retirement, he'll still do the best, because he knows what he's gonna do, and he'll not do anything which he won't be able to do it the way he want to do it. So knowing him, if he'll decide to do something, he'll do it the way he have played the game, with all the hard work, with all the respect what he have got, he'll do it that way.
Right. Absolutely. Well, Aftab, as a fan, how would you want to see him over the next few years? What kind of roles do you want to see him play? What would you like for him now?
See, I think he'd be the best person to answer this question, but as someone who's watched him for the past 2 decades, I would love to see him associated with cricket. And obviously, like Zach said, he's a perfectionist with anything that he does. So whatever he does decide to do now, he will do it with 100% commitment. But I'm sure he's going to feel some sort of a void after the 18th. He's going to miss obviously the past 24 years of his life. But I would first of all like to see him spend more time with his family. Yeah. Because I'm sure that Brian would also agree that you get to spend a lot of time away from your near and dear ones. And I think this is something that he'd want to make up for initially. I think he's got a long time to decide what he wants to do. But I'm sure that he'd want to be associated with the game, and because he's a legend. In cricket, he's a legend. Like, you can't have a cricket team in the world's best without a Brian or a Sachin Tendulkar. So I'm sure he'd want to be associated with the game and carry on being the inspiration in the most dignified way as possible.
Arjun Tendulkar, some tough times for you. Khan ke saath bahut kuch dadda padne wala hai.
If in any way he disassociates from the game, it would be a great disservice.
I think we all would be heartbroken along with
allow him to do
millions of other people.
But I doubt that would happen. He would always remain associated with the game.
Wait, here's my wish list. Being at times now, we would like to talk cricket with Brian Lara and Sachin Tendulkar right here in the studio. How would that be? I'm sure all of you guys would want to do.
I have just one request. I'd like to be on that. I have to just sit and watch also.
Brian, closing comments, anything you want to say to Sachin right here on the show?
Sachin, I expect you to pay a visit to Trinidad and Tobago. You have not been for the last 2 tours, and my countrymen wants to celebrate your career as well. Have a great day. Have a great 5 days at the Wankhede Stadium, and you've been such a great friend. Thank you.
Well, on that note, we're going to end this very, very special effort. Thanks for calling in. Thanks for writing in. Thanks for sending in all those entries. And to all our guests, including Harbhajan Singh, Ravi Shastri, thank you so much for joining us on this very special effort. My Sachin. Bye for now.